आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is that for the following compounds, write a condensed formula. Write a condensed formula and also their bond line formula. Okay, so friends, coming to the solution, basically what is a condensed formula? So condensed formula is a formula, friends, basically where we write these similar terms at the same time. Like for example, let us take the first example only. So writing this part, basically what we will do, we will write the CH2 terms, CH2 terms at one time and then CH3 terms at one time. So friends, it would like what I'm talking about is somewhat it would look like we have got CH2 terms 5 times. So we will write this at a time. Then we have got a CH term, then we will write CH3, CH and CH3 whole twice. Okay, so basically we also have to keep in mind, friends, that we cannot write this CH3 and this CH3 all at one time. We cannot write so, because it will alter the formula. So we do have to maintain the linear formula. Like in this case we are maintaining it like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So similarly we have written over here, we are not changing the formula but writing it in a condensed type of form. And similarly, friends, coming to the B part, what will we do over here? We will again do the same thing. How will we be doing it? We will write it HO. Let me write it again. HO. We will write then CN, then HO CH, because the CH is present. Then we will write CN whole twice. Okay. So as you can see, we moved from here HO, then we went to CH, and then we further moved to these two CN2. Then we further move to these two CN2. So we will be taking about the one which is singular, like HO, then CH, then we went to CN2. Okay, so this was our condensed formula. Now moving on to, friends, our bond line formula. Moving on to bond line formula. Okay, so now what is the bond line formula, my friends? Now bond line formula is a formula where we do not represent the carbon atom, instead we represent it at the bend of a bond, and when some different kind of atom pairs, we write it. So let us write it, and then we will get to know that what I'm talking about. So taking out the first example only, so we will write it something like this, like OH I have to mention because it is not a carbon. And then how will I go? I'm going to mention the carbon by the bends in the straight line. So these are the places where these are bends. It means that there are carbon atoms. So here it is. So where are the carbons? Basically here is one carbon, again here carbon, 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 carbon and carbon. So at all these places you will see that carbon atom is present. Okay, so well, now doing it for the second compound. And how will I do it? Now see, friends, it is something like C triple bond N. So I will write it as like this. Now here it is carbon. So I have taken a turn over here. Then I'm coming to the center carbon. Basically this carbon is this carbon. Okay. And this is this was this carbon. And we have taken a, so this is the second carbon. Now from here, what has happened, friends? OH is attached. Okay. And now, friends, again taking this turn and then taking a triple bond. So this is how the second carbon is also made. Now let me mention the carbons. So since there are 3 carbons, as you can see, so I will show the 3 carbons over here also. So this is known as the bond line formula.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।